Today we're going to continue on with the summer theme, and I'm going to be making 3 Spritz cocktails side by side. I dedicate this video to the lightweight wannabe tough guys in every single social group, whose own mother could drink them underneath the table. Whoa, easy there tough guy, just going to go through the ingredients here. With Spritzes you traditionally have 3 separate ingredients: a sparkling wine like a Prosecco, Champagne or a Cava, a liqueur. I'm going to be going for Creme De Violette, Campari, my kryptonite St. Germain. This is all linked together with a soda water to top it up. I really think you should try and get out of your comfort zone with Spritzes, especially if you're bored of Aperol and Hugo Spritzes, because you're looking like the PR team from work going for Friday drinks. Okay, let's start this off by adding ice to our glasses here. Right, we're going to start off with the Creme De Violette Spritz, which if you like aviations, this might be for you. And before you think of making this, hang around to the end as I do have some thoughts on this drink. Okay, start this off by adding 3 ounces, that's 90ml of Prosecco or any sparkling wine of your choice to your glass. Then add 1.5 ounces, so that's 45ml of Creme De Violette. Top this off with soda water and give a light stir. Now this drink was inspired by Difford's where they had a Parma Violet Spritz. I haven't really copied that, I've changed it to specs, but I had a bottle of Creme De Violette sat in my cupboard, so I needed to use it. Now this next one is one for the Campari fans. This is called the Spritz Al Bitter, and this can also be made with Select too, as well as Campari. Firstly add 2 ounces, that's 60ml of a sparkling wine your choice to your glass. Follow this up with 1 ounce, that's 30ml of Campari or Select. Top this off with soda water and give a good stir. They claim the concept of the Spritz comes from Venice, Italy, where Austrian tourists would often dilute strong Italian fortified wines and liqueurs with soda water. Now this is traditionally garnished with an orange peel, but I'm using the lemon wheel here. Now on to the last one, the final hurdle, and I really want this one to work, but this is the Elderflower Spritz. Add 3 ounces, that's 90ml of Prosecco to your glass. Then add 1 ounce, that's 30ml of St. Germain. I initially chickened out a little bit here and poured 3/4 of an ounce, but I ended up topping this up to round it off to 1 ounce, as we don't do things lightly around here. Top this off with soda water and give a light stir. History wise, there's not much information on this drink, which is absolutely great for me, as it means I can't cause an international incident and nobody gets upset with me. Now you want to garnish this with a rosemary sprig, which is the only thing which survives in my garden. Okay, the taste test. Let's start with the Violet Spritz. I'm not really keen on this and actually thinking of adding the aviation specs to this. It's just too florally, and I think it needs something to balance it out a little bit more. The Spritz Al Bitter was great, dependable, I really like how it works. Campari is one of them ingredients which really never lets me down. Now onto the Elderflower Spritz. I actually don't mind this one. I think it could do with some bitterness, but it's really refreshing. If you're sat out in the garden, the sun's out, and you just want a light drink, or want to, make your Prosecco last a little bit longer, or your Cava, Champagne, or you want some different, give it a go, guys. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap, and most will enjoy. Have a couple more and behave yourselves.